Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Now let's begin our lesson. Let's try to find out the theme of our lesson. Look at this picture and try to find out our lesson. Тақырыбымызды тауып көрейік. Не туралы деп ойлайсыңдар? Maybe it's about music.
Instruments.
About instruments, maybe, yes. Then? Yes, we are going to discuss about music. Discussing music. The theme of the lesson is discussing music. Yes, good. Now, let's speak in time. Let's speak, talk. We must answer to these questions. Сұрақтарды оқимыз және жауап беруге тырысып көрейік. The first question, who wants to read the first question? Arman, please. The first question. Қайтадан. Жақындап келіңіз.
How are you? Like it, listed this music.
Sit down. Do you like to listen to the music? Do you like to listen to the music?
Yes.
Yes. Who wants to answer? Yes, I do the jawab beremiz. Немесе I like music деп jawab beremiz, yeah? The second question, right, please?
Do you listen to music every day?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you?
I listen to music.
Yes, I do, yeah. Thank you. Sit down. The next question, Shantia.
What styles of music do you know?
What styles of music do you know?
Hip hop.
Yes. Classic, hip hop, jazz, pop, rock. Yes. Sit down, please. Mirhan,
What styles of music do you
prefer
to
listen? What styles of music do you prefer to listen? Қандай стильді тыңдайсың, иә? Қандайсың music?
hip hop?
Yes, I who answer
Listen to hip hop.
to hip hop. What about you, Aslay? What styles of music do you prefer?
I prefer listen hip hop.
Hip hop. What about you, Shabarat?
I prefer to listen to play classic.
Classic music, yeah? So please, the next question, Aslay. Fifth question.
That representatives of different styles of music do I know?
Do you know what representatives of different styles of music do you know? Жаңа айтқан стильдерде қандай музыканттар білеміз? Рок, рэп, хип-хоп. Кімдерді танимыз?
Димаш Құдайберген.
Димаш Құдайберген is a
Классик.
Yes. The next is the next тағы қандай? Рок.
Айтмаңыз.
Рэп. Do you know any rappers? Рэперлер танимыз ба? Біздің қазақтарда бар ма? Рэпер. Рэп айтатын музыканттар.
Байла.
You don't know, yes? The next question, Bajir. Who is your favorite singer? Who is your favorite singer, for example? My
Favorite singer?
is Muhsin, just to mention. 91. It is a band, yes? Please.
I follow singer.
My favorite singer.
My favorite singer Dimash Құдайберген.
Yes, Dimash Құдайберген. What about you, Natalie?
My favorite singer
Is
Moldanazar.
Moldanazar. The last question I also. Sonra
Can you play any musical?
instruments. Can you play any musical instruments?
I'm not play.
I can't play деп айтамыз, иә? Қандай не қолданып тұрмыз, көмекшісіз соны қолданамыз. I can't play any musical instruments. Who plays any musical instruments? Who plays?
I.
Yes, you play. I I play with them. I can play with them.
I can play bayan.
Bayan, yeah. Who else? Who can play the dobra? I can play.
I can play
The
the drum.
yes, you can play the dobra. That's all. Now let's divide you into two groups. One is Beatles and the second is Clash. These are the names of bands. You can choose here pictures and divide into two groups. Choose the pictures, please. And then this. Now, Beatles. Who is Beatles? Beatles here, Clash here. Beatles nya mana? Beatles, yeah. You are Beatles. You are Clash. Now you open your student's book, please. There is some exercises in your student's book. Exercise 1. There are some words are given according to the music. Let's read it. Mira.
Pop, stone, classical, hip hop, rap, punk, blues, heavy metal, dirt, rock, jazz.
Yes. There are two words out. Екі сөз бар екен, бөтен сөз, can you find it? Қандай сөз, аты сөз деп ойлайсыңдар? Музыкаға қатысы жоқ. Біріншісі? Dirt, yes. Then? Stone, yeah. Sit down, please. The second task is given for the words and their definitions we must find. I want to give the first exercise 1 to this group, to the Beatles. You must match pictures to the words, yeah? Суреттер мен сөздерді сәйкестендірген бірінші жаттығу. Your task is exercise 2. There are some words and you must find out their definitions. Мына берген сөздердің анықтамаларын табамыз. Екі жаттығу берілген. Сендер екінші жаттығу, мыналар бірінші жаттығу. Я астына не жазып жатырсыңдар? Сөздердің аттарын сәйкестендіріп жазып жатырсыңдар. Сендер енді бірінші сұрақтың жауабы This is for the self-assessment boys and girls. Мына жерге аты жөндерін Facebook бағанағы жазасыңдар да, мына жерге бірінші тапсырма орындап жатырмын, сол бірінші жаттығуды жазып қойсыңдар да, кім қанша балға орындады, өздері бағалау. Аттарын жазып қоя беріңдер.
Бірде 10-ға дейін ба, бірде 5-ге дейін ба?
Иә, солай бағалаймыз. 10-ға дейін бағалаймыз. Нұрдәулет, сен қарап отырсың, мынаған жаза бер. Осы группаның аттарын жазып қой. Нұрдәулет те бірінші өзіне баста аяулым. Астына сол сөздердің атауын жазып қой. If you can show it, please. He's a Between that, gentlemen, exercise 1 sizga media, exercise 2 bu bo'yicha hazratim qalay javob berib baholaysiz. Bundan keyin topshirmalarni aytamiz. If you can give a sign, please. Bitken yerimiz siz belgisini beramiz. Yes, the first group is ready. And what about you? Please, be quick, please. Birimizdan turamiz, ko'rsatib aytamiz. Spotify Who wants to?
Classic, rap, heavy metal, rock, jazz, blues, pop. Classic, classic, rap, heavy metal, pop, jazz,
Blues,
rock.
rock. Yes, good. Yes, the next group, please. In the Bagalains, by the Bagalains, come the solar Bagalains, please. Second group, come here, please.
Record storing sounds using electronic equipment.
The second is, be quick, please. Please, yes,
A digital speed on which sound can be recorded.
New track, yes? Track, yes. The next is the third group.
A Swedish music streaming service.
Yeah, please. Şişe seçin. Mix
Combining two or more tracks to make a song.
Combining two or more tracks, yeah? Nurdalit, have you got? Movement?
The the person we manage the overall songs, recording and the traditional of advanced or performance music.
Performance music. It is an engineer, yeah? Roma? Good.
Spotify, a Swedish music streaming service.
Swedish music, yes? Spotify. Spotify, it is one of the types of Swedish music. Good, good work. The next is listening. Let's listen to the dialogue. Times the next exercise 5. Exercise 5. Look at the dialogue and listen. Let's listen to the dialogue. Exercise 5 in your students will look at the dialogue and listen.
Track 3.3. What are you listening to?
A rapper that I'm really into at the moment, Dizzy Rascal. He's had quite a few #1 hits. I love his music.
I've never heard of him. Where's he from?
I think he's from London.
What sort of music is it?
It's a mixture of rap and hip hop. The lyrics are really clever. He writes them himself.
Oh. Have you got any of his albums?
Yes, the latest one. It was only released last month. I saw him on TV, then I bought his album.
Have you ever been to one of his gigs?
No, I've never been to a live performance, but I'd like to. He's due to go on tour later this year, so I'll make sure I get tickets.
Now, we have listened to the dialogue and try to read it. Put it in words. Who wants to read? Ablay and Ayol, please. Come down. Now, read.
They are we are listening to.
What are you listening to?
What we.
What are we listening to?
A rapper that I'm really into at the moment, Dizzy Rascal. He is had quite a few #1 hits. I love his music.
We never hit of him. This he from.
Where is he from?
Where is?
I think he's from London.
That so what music is it?
It's a mixture of rap and hip hop. The lyrics are really clever. He writes them
Himself.
Have I got any of his albums? Albums.
Yes, the latest one. It was only released last month. I saw him on TV, then I bought his album.
Have I ever been to one of his gigs?
No, I have never been to a live performance, but I had like to. He's due to go on tour later this year, so I will make sure I get tickets.
Do you understand what is the dialogue about? It is about a rapper, yeah, rapper, Dizzy Rascal. Chances the questions. Where is he from? Where is he from? He is from London. Yes. What sort of music is it?
Music,
It is mixture, yeah, mixture of hip hop and rap. Have you got any albums of him?
The last one.
the latest one, yeah? Sonuçta деген söz. Good, sit down, please. Now I want to make your own dialogue. You must make a dialogue from these words. Диалог пространстве. Is your. Let's make your own dialogue using these words. What are you speaking there? Не хотите? Павловна? Они довольно да, я что сама. Сындалым, диалог, сындалым. Бірінші басылған одан кейін бардым. Second group is ready. You. Who works well in your group? Kung жақсы жұмыс істеді группада? Кім сөйлеуге біледі? Төртеуің ба? Оян. Қандай бағытта? Please. are ready. Now let's begin with this group with Clash. Please come here. Show us the time, please. Сендер ана группа қарап отырамыз, қатесін аңдып отырамыз. Find the mistakes.
Hello.
Hello, do you like music?
Yes, I like to listen to music and
I like listening to music too. What sort of music do you like?
I like pop music. I listen music on Sundays and you.
I like rock and you.
I listen music every day. How can music influence people?
I think music can affect to health. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree with you.
Goodbye.
You have one mixed with sentence, yeah? Sit down, please. Should be good, not bad. The second group, come here, please. Please check them. қарап отырамыз.
Yes, I like to listen to music and you? Do you like pop or classic music?
I like classic music and you.
Yes, I agree with you. Music helps me to work.
Music helps to me to rest. Do you agree?
I prefer pop music. I miss music days of and you.
I like to listen to music to dance to and to dance.
I listen music every day. Who do you need music?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
There are some mistakes, yes, yeah. Біраз қателер болды. Сөйлемдегі біраз ауыстырып қарап алыңдар, түсіндіңдер? Check your answers, please. First group. Beatles. Check your answers. Тексеріп алыңдар. There are some mistakes in your order. Now let's self-assessment. Please put your points. Hand point. Қоямыз, кім қандай жұмыс істеді? Now, give me please. Have you put questions? Диалог жасап Now let's play a game today. A game running dictation. Өтпелі диктант деп аталатын ойын екен. You know the rule, yeah? One of the groups come to this one of the sentences times and tell the next, and he will draw it that way, in this way. Түсінікті ма? Running dictation деген ойын, yeah? Мына берілген сөйлемдерді құрастырамыз. Тез-тез біреуден, біреуміз оқып келеміз, екіншіге айтамыз, ол суретін салады. Одан кейін дайын отырамыз, келесі екінші сөйлемді алып келіп, оған айтады деген сияқты. Let's begin. Please, Сол бойынша сурет қатесіз жазамыз. Қалғанын қарап отырмыз, келесі.
Екеуге барады.
Жаза бер, кейін өтке боласың. Sen bana bakış. Numero just for kasna. Yetkilisiz var mı? Buyurun. Who is ready? Both facts. Big week, please. Let's finish. Be quick, please. Let's finish. Let's change your papers. Now change your papers, please. Bağlayın. Bağlayın sözlerinizden. Qanday qilinadi жұмыстарын сөйлемдер дұрысқа, сөздер дұрысқа қарайсыз. Choose their words, sentences. Please. Is there any mistakes? Spelling is good, yes? There is no mistakes? Қате жоқ екен? And what about their pictures? Do you understand anything? Аяқталмаған, yes. Not finished, yes. But қалай бағалайсыз? How do you access? Not bad, yes. Your this book is good. And what about you? Now, қате бар мектеп сөйлемдерінде? Is there any mistakes? No, yeah, there is no mistake. And what about their pictures? They give you 8 marks. Yes. Now, show me your assessment paper, please. How do you assess your partners?
Бес балдан
Bright, take good marks. Mirjan have only 5 marks. And Ayaum has good marks. And Nurdaulet put himself good marks. Shabash is not bad. Now, your assessment, please. They put 10 points. From 10 points, they take Amagildas like 10, Vajit 9, 8, Arman 6, Ablai 8, 9, and Kanchias 7, 8, 9. Now the lesson is over. Your task will be exercise. The next exercise 8, 6. Your exercise will be. The lesson is over. Goodbye, children.
Goodbye.